the best and most efficient ancient methods for treating colds, flu, coughs, and other ailments, is this amazing treatment that requires minimal skills. Just soak a piece of cotton wool in alcohol of 50% concentration, squeeze out any excess fluids, and place it on your belly button. Cover the place with a plastic bag, tape, bandage, or a cloth. This treatment will alleviate pain and relax your muscles. This is way better treatment than any conventional drugs, and is especially good for parents with young children that have tendency to fall sick. You can use the method to relieve menstrual pain, so lie down and press the cotton gently with your hands. It can be used to prevent travel sickness, so sprinkle some salt on the cotton as well, and put it on your navel. Thanks for watching.